Everybody, Larry here with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. And today we're going to take a look at this 2025 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. One of the most popular models in the Boston Whaler line. This boat has plenty of room for a 17-footer. Great boat for the family, for cruising and fishing. We're going to go over a couple things, starting with that Mercury 115 horsepower engine. This thing will haul butt. Lots of power, fuel efficient. Gonna love the way this boat performs. We've got seats here in the back that are removable. Those back cushions pull out, and then you've got 4 rod holders across the transom. As you get up to the helm, we've got this adjustable helm seat, which will come forward, go back, with a nice live well right underneath. At the helm, we've got a Simrad GPS fish finder, a JL audio system, and a Simrad VHF radio. So this boat is turnkey. It's already got electronics in it, great sound system. It's ready to get on the water. All the way up front, we've got a nice bow cushion that obviously is removable. Igloo cooler with another seat cushion and backrest with 4 additional rod holders, and this boat is already rigged out for a trolling motor. Comes on a custom trailer that will launch and load the exact same way every single time. If you've got any questions or would like to take a sea trial in this amazing 17 Montauk, give us a call at 904-545-5310.